Tired of manually confirming payments and sending notifications? Let's automate that. Today, we'll show you how to connect Razorpay and Aisensy using Pabbly Connect, so you can automatically send WhatsApp payment confirmations to your customers, boosting their experience. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account. Click on the Create Workflow button to start a new automation. Give your workflow a relevant name, like Razorpay to Aisensy payment notifications, and click Create. Now, in the Trigger section, search for and select Razorpay. In the Trigger event dropdown, choose Payment Captured. This means the workflow will trigger every time a payment is successfully captured in Razorpay. Pabbly Connect will generate a webhook URL. Copy this URL. Go to your Razorpay dashboard, navigate to Settings, then click on Webhooks. Click on Add New Webhook. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Pabbly Connect into the webhook URL field in Razorpay. Under Active Events, select Payment Capture and any other relevant events you want to track. Then, click Create Webhook. In Pabbly Connect, click Capture Webhook Response. Make a test payment in Razorpay. You should see the payment data captured in Pabbly Connect. Now, in the Action section, search for and select Aisensy. In the Action event dropdown, choose Send WhatsApp Message. Click Connect and then Add New Connection. You'll need your Aisensy API Key. You can find this in your Aisensy account settings. Paste the API key and save. Now, create your WhatsApp message. Use the data captured from Razorpay, like the customer's name and payment amount. To personalize the message, for example, you could write, "Hi." Click Save and Send Test Request to send a test WhatsApp message. Verify that the message is received correctly on your WhatsApp. Finally, turn on the workflow in Pabbly Connect to start automating your payment notifications. Now, every time a payment is captured in Razorpay, a WhatsApp notification will be automatically sent through Aisensy.